Today, me and my boys are going for a concert. We're going to Anjuna Deep, which is happening at GW Marriott, Gaulshire. Kavan is here. He's almost ready. Nishok is here. He's still getting ready.
What do you think, boys?
Decent fit. I'm wearing a chain today. For a change.
For a change.
For a change. Hari and Adit are about to join us, and then we shall get going.
Mohit only has to show us directions, bro. Gaulshire, he knows.
Yeah, bobbies. I was at Gaulshire for 3 nights, Ruchi's wedding. So I know the place inside out. Nah? It's almost like I own the place.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Own the place.
Own the place. It's crazy.
What's up?
Top G's here, bobbies. What's up?
The focus on Adit.
Focus on Adit. Hey, Luna, chill. Yo, Adit. Yo, where's the beard?
You're a fucking newbie, bro.
Bro, you look like a pedo, bro.
I thought I looked better than the other. I thought I looked Aussie, bro.
Huh?
I thought I looked a little Aussie.
Yeah.
You gotta be Aussie here.
I look like peak Shane Warne.
Today, mate, and all that.
Good day, mate. It's time to get going, bobbies. But before that, Mr. Shady and I are gonna eat some dark fantasy.
Bro, I'm not part of this.
Why?
I'm not part of this. Like, I don't eat all this stuff.
You walk so ready, bro.
Ready, no?
Yeah.
Let's eat it and leave. Bobbies, we have dark fantasy here.
He's opening his mouth.
Bobbies, come take. Guys, we love a good dark fantasy before a concert. There are two types of people. One who eats dark fantasy and the other who eats his meal prep. What daddy's concert do you enjoy your diet?
Okay, bro, enjoy. Show what you mean. I'm gonna enjoy.
What?
What's in meal prep?
Meal prep, chicken, rice.
That's all.
Oh, no veggies.
You share some with me, or?
Come, we'll share dark fantasy, bro.
Oh, I can't eat dark fantasy, bro.
Guys, he's cutting weight for his boxing match.
Bro, the concert has officially started, bro. Can we
Oh,
leave?
Yeah, we are late.
Literally 4 o'clock.
Time to get going, bobbies. We're all wearing shoes. Kevin is coming in his bathroom chappals.
I'm driving, bro. It's easier to drive in slippers.
No, the reason is,
The reason is,
he is who he is, bro.
he is who he is. We're taking the 1-hour bobbies. It's already 4 p.m. We were supposed to reach at 4. It's gonna take us an hour and a half. Let's get going, bruv.
Yeah, now we...
Okay, da, Kevin. Reverse.
Holy fuck,
Thanks.
so
I couldn't have done it without your help.
It's been 1 minute since we stepped into the car and Nishok has already started eating. You'll share that, no?
Yeah, come.
I need protein.
No vegetables or what?
Oh, fuck. Kevin's car, bro. Bobbies, we're taking one sexy road to JW Marriott.
Bro, it's okay and it's not that sexy.
Bro, what's better than this in Bangalore?
But not in Bangalore.
Nice road, I must say, bro.
Nice road is better, yeah.
You say nice road is better? Yeah. I mean, I'd say it's on par with nice. We've reached Bobby's. I've said we've reached like 3 times, bro.
We have reached.
You shady, Mr. Shady. Kevin drove beautifully.
Yeah, actually, great work, Kavin.
Great work, Kevin. Good job driving, bro.
Thanks, daddy. Everything you taught me.
The walk to the venue, Bobby's. Let's get going. I need to pee though. Adit, I need to pee. Oh, we all need to pee. Top G.
Go.
Let's go, bro. Adit, let's go. Entry done, Bobbies. They checked our shoes and all if we're carrying substances. The only substance I'm carrying is Adit.
I look like I could be searching for the substances, I feel.
Honestly, yeah. The reason he has that stash today is because he wanted to get that cop look. First things first, we are recharging our bands with some money. This is a coupon counter. You need to recharge your band with money if you wish to buy something from these stalls. May it be beverage, food, anything. Adit is getting us some Red Bull, Bobbies. Sugar-free Red Bull. Is this video sponsored by Red Bull?
I wish, bro.
I wish, honestly. These buggers have a lot of money. Guys, does Mr. Shady still look shady without the beard? Does the stash make him look mature?
I'm Mr. Justice, bro.
You're Mr. Justice, sir. What does that mean? You look like a cop.
What?
Okay.
I'm here to fight crime, bro.
You're here to fight crime. That's right, guys.
On the streets of Kamanali.
On the streets of Kamanali. No, Bobby, we are not in Kamanali right now. So, Bobbies, this is what it looks like. The sun is setting, the Bobbies are performing, and the crowd is yet to come though. Dheere dheere log aa rahe. Okay, now what do we eat? Should we do Tangra style noodle, big boy burger, pav bhaji? We're getting noodles, Bobbies. Fresh vegetarian noodles. I have requested for less oil.
Hi guys.
Amanda is also here. She's everywhere, guys. She's everywhere.
Fair. I can't argue with
Did
it.
you eat something?
No, we're just getting our food.
We're getting noodles. Do you want?
No, I'm getting a burger.
Burger, okay. Thank you, brother. Bobbies, the noodles are ready. Mr. Hari, you do the taste, bro. It looks good, no? You want, huh? Fucking everybody said no to noodles, huh? Until I bought it.
Don't put it on the shirt.
It's fine if it spills on the shirt. I bought this today morning from Zudio. 400 rupees. Mr. Shady has found himself a nice cozy corner. Here you go, brother. Guys, Nita is also here. No, you never know who you might run into. Slowly people are coming in. Time for a chicken burger, Bobbies.
This looks quite promising.
Yeah, Adit says it looks promising. Go for it, bro.
He said fried.
It's not fried. The patty is grilled. Yay or nay? Okay. Adit says it's decent, bro. Let's give it a shot. Double patty, oh? Oh, that's single.
That's an egg, dude.
Not a coleslaw. That's insane, boss.
Decent. Done with the concert, Bobbies. We're leaving a little early. It's only 9:45. This is gonna go on for another 30 minutes, but we want to beat the traffic. If we leave with everybody else, then we'll be stuck here for at least an hour. Who's taking shotgun?
Hari.
Hey, what the fuck? Hari's taking shotgun because apparently his knee is hurting.
These fun guys.
You think my knee is not hurting?
Bro, I had one surgery.
Bro, man pulled out the surgery card. I didn't even have the surgery, guys. I'm just in pain. At least he got a surgery done. I don't think I can sit from... Kavin, you gotta take it out, bro. You gotta take it out. You gotta take it out, bro.
Happy, huh?
Yeah.
Happy.
I'm happy with what? Oh, am I happy with the concert?
No, are you happy going home? Because I know you're not happy with the concert.
Yeah, guys, house music is not for me. Concerts in general are not my thing.
Said this shit.
Nishok said you won't enjoy, but if you want to join, please come, he said. So I came for like the boys, bro. Oh, perfect. Yo, where are we going to eat now?
Hari knows the spot.
Everybody give your rating of the concert on a scale of 1 to 10. 8 for Kavin. Nishok?
8 actually.
8 for Nishok also. Adit?
8.25.
8.25. Hari, you?
8, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it like a 3. Not because the concert was bad. House music is not for me.
Actually, people who really enjoy doing illegal things, it's very good for them.
For people who enjoy illegal things, yeah.
But we like.
Yeah, we are sober, right?
Yeah, well,
We're sober.
only.
So like, the only thing we are doing is...
Yeah. Like, I like the music, but like, I understand why it's like a 3 feet.
Back to Nishok's apartment, Bobbies. Top G is leaving now.
Yeah, dog.
Bye, Top G.
See you, bro.
I thought he'll join us for a meal, but he's not.
I work.
He has work. Adit is also leaving. They're leaving together, actually.
I work.
Check out Adit's car. Don't show them, huh? Nazar. His car is damn nice, guys.
What is that, bro? M4, no?
M4, yeah. M4 competition, bro.